You see the moon?
Look at this. Look at this one.
You see mine? Look at that. Mine. Hi guys, from the firework in the Laurita Winery. Woo! This is the first time I see in the so much close. See? Woo! Oh wow. Ooh. This is right there. It's right here. Ooh. Oh wow. This is the New Jersey Laurita Winery space. So actually I didn't see so close like that. Oh wow. They made it right there. This is really fun. Before they close, this is actually all the grapes, you know, the plant. So the grapes in daytime, you can see all grapes. And there's a lot of people. See in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, look at that. I want to just go the YouTube live, guys. So maybe I want to just turn it off. Wow, looks beautiful. Woo! Woo! Hi, Marisa. Let me go on my YouTube, guys. Happy weekend. They only make it only Saturday night. So, yeah. This moon looks really cool. See? It's really nice.